Okay, so we have signed up and it brings us to this layout, and as you can see on the heading you have the title Mr. C's class, or you can say the slogan, and here you have a menu icon that is home. Now these icons, you usually see it on websites, and they usually link to pages. Okay, is a page icon or menu icon, and here you can see add text. You can add any text as you want, and then here you can see the social icons, the Facebook icon, the Twitter icon, I think that is LinkedIn, and the other one is a RSS feed icon. So if you're on Facebook, you can type your web link here for Facebook. If you're on Twitter, the same thing. That's the web link. When you enter your Facebook, the web link to your page, you can all type it here. But what we are going to do in this section is that we are going to look at these menu icons here. Here you see the elements. The elements, you have a paragraph with title. You can add a paragraph with title or paragraph with picture. You can select any of the things you want here. You can add video, contact form, and the rest of them. Now, under video, you see the word Pro, P-R-O. This shows that the Pro means that you cannot add video here unless you upgrade your account. So remember, we are using a free account, and because we are using a free account, there are certain limitations that we cannot do. So for instance, adding a video, we cannot, because we are using a free account. So as we go over this lesson, anywhere that they said that they wrote Pro, that's a professional account, that means we will not be able to use those unless we upgrade. But I know that teachers like free stuff. Me too. Also, in your website, you will see this: create a free website with Weebly, and you will see an icon that says remove. It's in a red color background. If you click on remove, that means they will take you to a page to upgrade your account. So, and there are some benefits of upgrading your account, right? But like I said earlier, we are just using the free account here, and by the time we finish today, if you want to, you can upgrade your account and use those extra features as well. So these are the elements. Then the next one is the design features. Here you have a lot of themes, okay, or you can say some layouts that have already been designed for you that you can use. You can play with them to see which one you would want to use. For instance, if I don't like this theme, I might just click here, and you see how this theme is. You can select any theme that you want to. If you look at it, it's over 50 themes. So you just play with it and you select whichever one you want to. That is under the design. Then under pages, in this we can add page. We can add a new page, like after home. Let's say as a math educator, I want to add another page that says math lessons, because I want to put my lessons online. And under math lessons, you see a hide page in navigation menu. No, I want it to be visible in navigation menu. You see that menu, what I said was menu icon, where you see home, and then where you will also see this new page is called navigation menu. Now, password protect this page is for professional accounts, so we will not be able to do that. Now, link page to external site, you want to check this. you want to link it to external site if you have an external site. But if you don't have an external site, then you will uncheck it. We are going to look at an example where we have an external site. The next one says advanced settings. You might click on it, and of course the page title you want to say is Math Lessons, and the page description. This page contains all my math lessons. And the keyword, you might use math, you might use add, you might use subtract, you might use page, just some keywords that will point to that. The footer code and the header code, you might want to leave it for now, so you click save settings, and after that you just click save settings, and you see the math lessons is now up here. Okay, that is adding a page. That's under pages. The next one, editors. Editors are those you would want to go to your site and edit your site and make some changes and save. If you are the only one that will be the editor, that's fine. Otherwise, you may wish to add some editors, give them privileges to be able to log into your site and make changes. Then the settings. Here the settings, we see the address mathscienceeducator.weebly.com, and we see the site title. As you see, Mr. C's class, you can change it, and if you want to show it, you check this box. Otherwise, if you don't want to show the site title, you uncheck it. Favicon. Favicon is something that when you click, like if you can see here, W. When we go to Weebly, before that Weebly, you see a letter that says W. This is actually a picture. That W is what we call favicon. We know when people go to your site, not only do they see the site, but they see a small picture or icon that is attached to the site. So this W right here is the favicon, but it's for professional accounts. And if you want the site password and the footer message, if you want to remove that footer message, create a free website with Weebly, then you will remove it by going professional. Okay, now search engine optimization, we shall discuss this later on as we go to your handout. Is a big thing to talk about. If we have time, we will talk about it. The same thing with e-commerce settings. If you want people to go to your site to make purchases, pay online, and you now receive it, you can use e-commerce settings. But I'm teaching educators, so we might just forget about this e-commerce settings for now. Okay, and we also have mobile settings, and then archive or unpublish. This is when you finished doing your site, you can always download your site and save it as a zip file, right? So let's go ahead and close this. So we have covered the menu, these icons that are in the menu: elements, design, pages, editors, and settings. Before we before we end this session, let's go ahead and select a theme. I like red color, so I want to probably select something that has red in it. Red is my favorite color, so I think I might. Now, one thing with playing with all this is making a nice choice of selecting. I may just go with this one that I selected initially. So this one, I may go with this one. But you can play with it and browse through it and decide which one to select. And after making all these changes, whenever you do something on your site, you always want to go ahead and publish it so that you see it. And after making any change in your site, you want to save it and you want to hit publish, located in the top right hand corner. the icon there, and it says that you don't want to register a new domain because that's paying for it. We've talked about this, and you just want to continue, and then it publishes it for you, and that is all. The register a domain name for your website, you want to skip this unless you want to pay. Okay, and you can share your site on Twitter if you want to. So we close this. Thank you for listening to this presentation, and please watch other sessions as well. Bye.